Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a healthy feast. So we have chips, chicken breast and salad. Oh, almost fell. So yeah, got some chips, basically potatoes cooked in the air fryer, homemade, with this roast potato seasoning. Then chicken breast using this chicken Karela air fryer seasoning, and then salad with a bit of sour cream. I got some ketchup on top. So let's start, man. I'm starving. Bismillah. Wow. No oil, by the way. But I feel like next time I might spray just a little bit of oil because it makes the potatoes cook faster and a bit more fluffy, I think. Yeah, guys. How was everyone? Also, got some water. But yeah, man. Life's good, bro. So you're probably wondering, it's a lot of food, mate. I'll tell you why. So I woke up and for breakfast I had 2 brown bread, 2 eggs, 1 cheddar cheese slice, and then I made it into an omelette, and that was it. Put a little bit of ketchup on the omelette, and that was what I had. Then for lunch, today's Friday, I'm filming this on a Friday, you'll see this on Saturday. So I went to Jummah, it's the Islamic Muslim Friday prayer. So I went to that. Then after, yesterday I bought a protein shake, but I didn't drink it. So I drank that before the gym. Basically my pre-workout. Then after the gym, and I had a prawn. Right guys, I'm back. So as I was saying, then after the gym I had my lunch. It was a prawn, mayo, salad, packet of crisps, and then a bottle of Pepsi Max. So that's like what, maybe 3-4 calories in the full 500ml bottle. So far that's 1,200 something calories. This dinner Chicken breast is 30 grams of protein, around I think 130 something calories. Salad, so 40-50 calories. Then the potatoes, around 450. So yeah. So yeah, man. Now, try the chicken breast. Hopefully it's cooked. Yep, it is. Nice and white. Right, let's try this. Nice, succulent, salty for the seasoning. Just get a bit of the chicken, bit of salad. Can you guys hear that? Fireworks are always going off in the UK. But when it comes to news, I just watched the Anthony Joshua versus Jake Paul press conference. So yeah, they did the face off and stuff. That fight, it's a joke to boxing. And realistically, Anthony Joshua should knock him out in 2 rounds. Like, yeah. So, that's that. A couple of days. What's the date today? 21st of November. So in 5 days, Stranger Things Season 5 comes out. I can't wait to watch that. I literally binge watched all the seasons in a month. So yeah. I've also got some more water. So, yeah. These potatoes are cooked in the air fryer. They are nice, it's just some of them are cooked, some of them are a bit hard. They haven't cooked properly. But yeah. Comes to football, I think tomorrow Liverpool are playing, I don't know. So Saturday. We're playing against Nottingham Forest, so hopefully we win, man. I'm predicting 2-1 to Liverpool. For anyone that's watching the Premier League, who do you think is going to win the league? I think it's between, I think, City and Arsenal. I'm hoping Arsenal win it because, you know, they've come second so much. They deserve to win it at least once. Come on. Look at that bite. Are you serious right now? Chicken, salad, potato. Yeah, it's just with potatoes, man. I think next time what I'm going to do is just have a chicken salad. So yeah. Come on, cut. Again, coming to football. Birmingham Football Club, you know, where Jude Bellingham started his career. Well, there was a trailer a couple of days ago that came out that I think 2030 they're gonna make a £1 billion pound stadium. Pardon me, man. Why is this water making me burp? So yeah. I mean, we would then hope, obviously, then them predicting to reach the Premier League. No? Because not really a point having a £1 billion stadium when you're in the Championship. But yeah. Well, alhamdulillah, finished his food. It was very nice. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment what other videos you want me to make, other foods to maybe try or eat. Just make sure they're halal because I'm a Muslim. And other than that, see you on the next one. Peace out.